Let's start today preposition part 3. Preposition with and by. हिंदी में दोनों का अर्थ होता है के साथ, विद के साथ और बाय के साथ। लेकिन बाय का यूज़ हम और कहाँ कर सकते हैं? डूअर के साथ। जब हम पैसिव वॉइस में सब्जेक्ट को जब ऑब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं, वहाँ पे एक डूअर जो करता होता है, उसके साथ हम प्रेपोजिशन बाय का यूज़ कर सकते हैं, जिसका अर्थ होता है द्वारा। Firstly, we'll discuss preposition with. It is used for showing togetherness. It is used with an instrument used by the doer for completion of a work, for an action. Examples are here. I visited Shimla by or with my parents. Preposition with will be used here because it is showing togetherness के साथ. Next, he killed the snake by or with a stick. Preposition with will be used as an instrument. It is stick is used here. Next is barber cut my hair by or with scissors. Again preposition with because scissor is an instrument for completing work. Next is he opened the door with or by screwdriver. Preposition with will be used because it is an instrument which is helping doer for completing his work. He opened the door with nose plier. He opened the door with great force. These all things are helping as an instrument. Next is I wrote my notes by or with blue pen. Here both preposition will be right. One important thing is that blue pen or black pen is not real instrument because both pens are working because of ink. So both preposition will be right. How we will use word ink? I filled the form dash blue or black ink. Here preposition in will be used. So many times we can find out this line in a form. At the top of the form it is written fill the form in blue or black ink. So with word ink we will use preposition in, and by and with it is used for pen, not for ink. Next preposition by. It is used with doer. It is used to show something near, next or beside. For example, the snake was killed with a stick by a farmer. सांप लाठी से एक किसान के द्वारा मारा गया. इसका अर्थ भी के साथ और इसका अर्थ भी के साथ. Stick is as an instrument and farmer is here doer. My school is by or with the road, one side, beside, to show one side. So preposition by will be used. My school is by the road, one side of road. Next is Ritu sits by me, sits by me. For example, I am sitting here and Ritu is sitting here. It is one side, or we can say next to me. So preposition by will be used. Ritu sits by me. Okay, next example. Ritu was with me yesterday. She was with me for the whole day. So this with is showing togetherness. And why we have used preposition by? Because here she is sitting. And seat is showing either next, near or beside position of Ritu. My parents stand by me always. By. Why preposition by is used? Because it is not for some time. It is always. It is not for sitting or standing here. It is for always in all situations. My parents stand by me always. Next example of voice is here. In active voice, he writes a letter. In passive voice, Subject will convert into object and object will convert into subject. A letter is written by him, and in passive voice always verb third form is used. A letter is written by him. Here by is used with this subject. So these were explanation and how we can use preposition with and by.